Hello, Daily Grade Thompson and Farrah Christensen class. It's Mr. Innes here. Hope you're all well, and as ever, I'm extremely delighted to have the opportunity to take you through your phonics session today. Let's go. So let's have a little look at our suffix today, and it is still the full suffix, just like in our last session. And as we know, the full suffix is spelt with only one L, even though the word full is spelled with two L's. So just remember to keep that in mind, please. And it actually just means full of or having. But today we're going to focus on what happens when we turn our root word into an adjective by using our suffix full. Okay, so we can turn our root words into adjectives using the full suffix. So here we have our root word, which is cheer, and when we apply our full suffix onto the end, we get the word cheerful, just like this happy face here, who seems very cheerful at the moment. So cheerful now becomes our adjective, and it helps us to describe how someone may be feeling. Here is our root word colour, and when we apply a full suffix to the end of it, we get colourful, just like these colourful balloons here, which are in the picture. Here we have the word pain, and when we apply a suffix onto the end of our root word pain, we get painful, and that looks very painful. The poor teddy bear hurt his knee. And here we have our root word, which is peace, and when we apply a suffix onto the end of it, here we get the word peaceful, just like this calming, peaceful, relaxing forest here in the picture. And here we have our word delight, and when we apply a suffix onto the end, we should get the word delightful, just like these children here who seem to be having a wonderful and delightful time. Right, now I've got a task for you. Scattered around our suffix in the middle, I have given you some root words, and some of these root words can have a suffix full applied to the end of them. However, some of them are out to trick you and cannot. I would suggest reading the root word and adding the full suffix onto the end of it, so you can hear what it sounds like. And if you think it makes sense, feel free to write it down, or you can just say it to an adult. Remember, if you need help, please remember to ask your adult as well, because they may know the right answer. Now would be a very good time to pause this video to give you the chance to have a go, and I'll see you very shortly. Good luck. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that and worked really hard. Let's have a look at some of our answers. So our first word here would be joy. Can we apply the full suffix to the end of joy? Yes, we can, because we get the word joyful. Excellent stuff. Right, onto our next one, we have the word help. Can we apply a suffix onto the word help? Let's have a look. Yes, we can. We get the word helpful. Right, onto our next one, which is the word use. Can we apply the suffix full onto the end of use? Yes, we can. We get the word useful. Wonderful. And onto the word happy. Can we apply a suffix onto the word happy? No, sadly we cannot. We can't. Happy full is not a word. Our next one is soft. Can something be softful? No, it cannot. So we cannot have the word softful. But we've got our next root word here, which is truth. Yes, we can have the word truthful. Well done. The next one is wish. Yes, something can be wishful thinking. On to the next one, we could have harm. Can it be harmful? Yes, something can be harmful. It can be harmful and it can be dangerous. And our last word here, we have got bad. And there we go. Something cannot be badful. Well done. So here we have some photos, and I would like you to have a little think about which words you could use to describe some of the adjectives in these pictures? Let's have a look at some of the ones that I came up with. Beautiful, colourful, wonderful, cheerful, peaceful, joyful and delightful. Did you come up with any of your own? If so, feel free to write them down, because your next task, I'll be asking you to use these pictures to help you write some super sentences. Feel free to use some of my adjectives here on the left to help you create a sentence about any one of these pictures to make them as detailed as you can. And as ever, write them down, take your time, and if you're extremely proud of them, send a picture to your teacher, because we would absolutely love to see them. But until then, you have been great. Thank you for joining me in our phonics session today. Keep up the hard work, and I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Take care. Year 2. Bye bye.